Artificial intelligence, AI, might sound like a futuristic term straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a part of our everyday lives. In the simplest terms, AI is the science of making machines smart. But how does something that we plug into a wall outlet become smart? To understand this, let's take a step back and think about what we consider intelligence in humans. It's the ability to learn, to solve problems, and to understand complex ideas. Now, apply that to computers. AI is what allows computers to learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Most of the AI we hear about today is known as narrow AI or weak AI, designed to perform a narrow task, like internet searches or facial recognition. However, the long-term goal of many researchers is to create general AI or strong AI. While narrow AI may outperform humans at whatever its specific task is, like playing chess or solving equations, general AI would outperform humans at nearly every cognitive task. How does AI work, though? At its heart, AI operates on data and algorithms. An algorithm is a set of rules or instructions, and in AI, these algorithms are designed to make predictions or decisions based on the data they're fed. For example, by analyzing thousands of photos, an AI can learn to identify which images contain a cat. This process is known as machine learning, and it's one of the primary technologies behind AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses something called neural networks, which are somewhat inspired by the human brain. These networks can learn and make intelligent decisions on their own. Deep learning drives many of the most advanced AI applications, like self-driving cars that decide when to speed up, slow down, or swerve to avoid hitting something. Now, let's relate AI to something we're all familiar with: movies. In Iron Man, Tony Stark's AI system Jarvis can talk, joke, and help Tony design his suits. Jarvis seems to understand the world almost like a human does. While we don't have AI quite as advanced as Jarvis in real life, we do have virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They can recognize your voice, respond to commands, and even learn from your preferences to provide personalized help. Another pop culture reference is the sorting hat from the Harry Potter series. Imagine if we had an AI sorting hat for real-world applications. You could tell it all about your skills, interests, and goals, and it could help sort you into a suitable career path. But AI isn't just about mimicking human interactions. It can also analyze and recognize patterns in data that are too complex for humans to notice. For instance, AI is used in healthcare to analyze X-rays or to identify potential diseases from symptoms with a level of accuracy that rivals, and sometimes surpasses, human doctors. AI can work through millions of data points in seconds, far faster than a human could. AI is also behind the recommendation systems in places like Netflix or Amazon. By analyzing your past behavior, purchases, or viewing history, AI predicts what you might like next and suggests new items or movies to you. It's like having a friend who knows your taste incredibly well and is always ready with recommendations. There's a lot of excitement about AI, but also some concern. Movies like the Terminator series have portrayed AI as a potential threat to humanity. While these are just stories, they do raise valid questions about AI ethics and the importance of building safeguards into AI systems. In conclusion, AI is a fast-growing field that's changing how we live, work, and play. It's the engine behind many of the technologies we use daily, and it holds promise for even more incredible innovations in the future. While we aren't at the point of having sentient robots like in The Matrix or Ex Machina, we are certainly on a path where AI will become more integrated into our lives, helping us to make better decisions, understand complex systems, and perhaps even understand ourselves a bit better. AI is a tool, and like any tool, how we use it will shape our future.